Hello, today is August update. And I guess last time there was a lot of growth, but there's not a lot of fruit. And today I just want to show you a few fruits hanging around. Uh, Sweet banana pepper are growing pretty good. This is purple Cherokee. And I thought these are like little cherry tomatoes, but they turned out to be huge. And the good thing is that I have this on the trellis, so I don't have to stake up the plant as bad. I weave them through, so they should be able to support the fruits when they're heavily loaded. So cucumbers been growing pretty good. Been harvesting a lot. We have a week or two of extremely hot weather, and some of these leaves are start getting brown, and at the end of the life cycle of the vine, they start getting brown and they show some signs of being done too. Over here, this is the better bush tomato, and there was a few that was in there that I picked. Hi there. They're super sweet. So better bush tomato. These are the two, like one pot has two plants. So they've been giving a pretty good amount of tomatoes for a pot. I think I make a pretty good profit out of that, or make a good deal. And yard beans been growing good. I've been picking, and hopefully I get some more, but some of these are hanging. I picked some today. Oh, I missed this one. How did that happen? They're so green, and I keep missing them sometimes. So I gotta look really hard. I keep going out and look. I just clean out this bed here. Took out all the mints to eat and to rejuvenate, and separated or repot or separate these garlic chive. And somehow I missed this. I just saw this today. Probably is dead, but it's this is what it looks like underground, and it's all clumped up. So it's pretty skinny. So I hope I spreaded them out, give them a little bit room to grow and to spread. And this is what it looks underneath my better melons vines. They start to produce a lot of fruits when it come out to this side. I've been picking a few. My mom came by and she picked a few. So they're so cute. They're so cute. So every day I just come out and grab one or two, and they continue to produce some more throughout the rest of the season. This is the cherry tomato that I'm talking about. I thought I had over there, but the two that I transplant over here for the time being, they are just now having some fruit. They're really sweet. When they fruit a lot. And this little guy here has also managed to give some fruit. Cool. My wing beans finally climbed all the way up to here. That's a wing bean. Wing beans are pretty good. This one are not doing as fast as this one, so I'm not sure. Maybe these are a little bit slower in growing. I put them out a little later, but they seems to grow taking off, so hopefully they'll make it for the season, because they have to, when the weather get a little bit colder, that's when they start producing a lot of fruit. So a lot of flowers are kind of done. The butterflies and the bees and the hummingbirds been munching on these a lot. And it's kind of shaded out my hot pepper, so I moved. The pear are getting a little bit bigger. My son went out and picked the little one. He thought it was fun. So watch out for the children. There's another one. Or some over there, still doing good. Just a few. Wait till the squirrel come here and mess with them. I'm gonna be so mad. So this garden is about to be done with the squash and the zucchini. And I'm getting ready to remove all these. And I've kind of thinned out the tomato a little bit. So I throw the rest away. Gonna have no more room, but hopefully these will have a few more months to start to fatten up and stuff. Pick some mint, Vietnamese mint, Vietnamese coriander. This is pho beans, and I don't know. I've been seeing a lot of leaves and sunflowers, but not much beans or no beans. Been harvesting a bunch of sorrels. They're so good. A watermelon. Seriously, one. And the Malabar spinach it's taking off. The hummingbird loves these. I think it's some sort of berries or something. They keep pecking on those. I'm trying to get it. And it likes zinnia. So next year I'm going to grow a lot of zinnia. So the squirrel's been messing with this persimmons. They keep climbing on here and they keep jumping on here and checking out every day. They keep making my persimmon drop every day. I am very, very sad and upset. And I only got about 3 to 5 left. These guys are growing great. Here setting up, trying to trap them. I trap 4 to 5 and have transport them to close by or park. See if they, hopefully they don't come back. But I see less and less, so hopefully that works. If you know of any other way that I can control the squirrel, let me know. This one don't have but 1 or 2 left. The squirrel's been coming here and jump on here too, trying to check out every day. This butterfly garden is almost done. Sunflowers are almost gone. I've chopped them all down except a few. Transplanted some garlic chive under this oak tree here, and hopefully it gets a little shade, a little sun, and hopefully it will take off and have a nice patch here. These are also garlic chive, and they're grown from seed from these guys, so they're looking good. Some more Vietnamese coriander. Some of my seedlings, some grapes, camellias, some these are not Basil, they are pipers. I just looked them up after I video last time. These are piper plant, the kind that you roll them up with ground beef and grill them. So good. Fish mint and a lot of milkweed that I don't know what to do just yet. Stuck them right there for now. Maybe transplant them later. It's really hot, so a bunch of perilla are kind of looking sad, but in the afternoon or at night they'll spark back up. This year I'm going to try to make this patch a little bit more pliable for next year. Maybe move the sunflower over here or maybe over there, I don't know. Now all the sunflowers are gone. My lemongrass have a chance to take off. Hopefully they'll make it till the end of the season and give me some more. My artichokes are kind of slow growing out here after the heat kind of headed, so maybe I need to start watering it every night. This is another basil bush. It's looking okay. Pretty about a foot, around by a foot. And a lot of carrots. Been taking the leaves and giving to the piggy, but looks like I have some carrots down there. So maybe I need to harvest the carrots. Yeah, those are some small ones. Some big one. I didn't thin these, so maybe it's good for the piggy. Just give the front landscape some pruning. Come on, kiddo. Mining these rocks. This side gets some morning sun, so I start moving the pots and stuff over here. Hopefully things will get morning sun, will be a little bit greener and not getting really harsh afternoon sun. And I think that seems to do okay. It's just strawberries, crab claws, doing good. My daughter just stuck some peas that went to seed in her garden, and some ginger. And this is a flower. Something was in there and it died. This is Mother's Worth Cola. It seems to like the morning sun. The crab claws grows pretty big. So I think it likes morning sun, and it likes kind of moist or wet kind of soil. So I'm gonna, next year I'm going to expand this area all the way to there and start having some pot over here. I'm gonna start making some custom made pots and put them in there and grow like a strip of flowers in the front for kind of aesthetic. But this is another piper plant, some more hot pepper, more grapes, and culantro is being covered up down here. So I need to harvest these crab claws to eat. I think I can make a pretty nice bowl or plate. And I think that is almost it. My artichokes back here seems to grow pretty good. Better comparing to the front. This area, the hummingbird loves it. It keeps coming back for the zinnias and the cosmos. My chili bird flower, plant. Oh, hi there. I need to pick moringa and soursop jelly plants. It's doing good. I need to pick them. Jasmine, another soursop, star apple, and a lot of hot pepper. I hope these are gonna be spicy, because that would be very sad if they're not. Have some flowers here and some that one is green. Just got that, saw that yesterday. It grows pretty fast. And wow, that chopper was loud. Just started some holy basil. Mark Ween recommended this was a good stuff, so I'll see what happened when they grow bigger. Maybe I'll start growing holy basil for future years. Another chili plant I transplanted. Some avocados that I threw the seed in the compost, and I was taking the compost out for use, and I saw a bunch of them, so I just stuck them in here. There's like one or two more down there. I don't know what to do with them, but that's it. It's August, and hope you guys enjoy. It was a little hot. Have a good day, and bye-bye. These are the Better Bush tomatoes. I had a couple today. They are super, super sweet. I picked these a couple of days ago. These are really, really sweet.